I'm going to be sharing with you my Halloween decor. This little jack-o'-lantern, I did a DIY craft video, which I'll link down below. And then in my flower bed, I just have these little light up things when it gets dark. I have an eye and a jack-o'-lantern. I replaced my wreath with this sparkly purple skull. Then I have this little collage board, which I change the pictures out seasonally. And I have these two little protruding skulls as well. On my living room shelf, I have two long candlestick holders that aren't lit up in this video. I have a little glass potion jar, some DIY candles also linked below, a crystal ball, my fall lantern, little cat ears, and then on this little record player shelf, I made a little display of a book, a skull, and some tarot cards. On top of my fridge, I have some leaves and a wreath hat, and then on my fridge, I have this picture of Rex, which Freedom's little sister made. On the back of my stove, I have 3 masks that actually are from a masquerade party of last year, and I just kept for Halloween decor. They're sparkly, I made them. I have this little cute spooky sign that's from years ago from Dollarama. These little tiny shadow boxes are also from Dollarama. Bath & Body Works Halloween soap, and then I do still have up my fall decor. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.